So for part 2, to input an estimate into this, I can simply update the form, drop into the estimate tab, and from here I can add in my roles and my artwork, hardware, suppliers, etc. as well. All of that information can be put through. Most will at this point come in here and say, look, for example, this is our creative phase. I can have multiple phases, so I can, put up to 12, 14 phases within here. So I can say this is, strategy, creative, whatever it may be. I can put my naming convention in here as well. A lot will use templates at this point, so I can simply come in here and say this project may start, I can say tomorrow, for example, import a template that I've got in place. So I can click on import, that will drop this in with all of the tasks, the roles that are involved in this, the hours, and actually cascade the dates out. I can fully go in and start to amend this. So I can go in and say, look, I need a qual researcher for this, for example. I can amend any of the dates that I want. So I can simply come in and change these out as and how I require. On top of this, we've done previous sessions on artwork, hardware, and suppliers with some of your team around this to kind of say, look, if there's artwork, for example, I can go in, put the costs and the margins associated with this and a description around what it is that I'm doing. These can also be free text or indeed lists of suppliers that we require coming through. So this allows me to build up my cost, my overall estimate for this. When I'm happy with this, I will submit this through and save this. I can then send this budget for approval. So I can send it to whether that's finance, client directors, whoever I acquire. This will go on a process. This process is defined. So this is where our configurability again comes into play. This, for example, can move through a process like this that we will build with your wording, your actions, and that's how it will move from here. However, at this point, I can say, once I'm happy with the estimate that's there, I can say the budget is good and I can approve this through on its process.